Hi guys, you're welcome to today's video of amazing and great hairstyles. Stay tuned, keep watching, and don't touch that dial.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
welcome back guys from the video. I am pretty sure you really enjoyed that video, and something you need to know about the video is that going with your gray hair, it gives you this kind of comfort and this kind of peace of mind. It makes you think straight and makes you focus because you don't kind of bother yourself about your gray hair anymore. Yes, because dyeing your hair all the time, like hiding your gray hair all the time, it's always inconveniencing. It comes with this trouble. It troubles the heart, it troubles the mind. Yeah, because when you tend to see your hair dye start going off or start fading away, you start to panic because you need to get your gray hair into hiding and stuff like that. So leaving your gray hair, accepting the blessing that God has blessed you with, because it is written in Proverbs in the Bible that the gray crown shows that you have lived a good life. So it's only people that have lived a good life that are opportune to have this gray hair that you are ashamed of. So you shouldn't be ashamed of what God has blessed you with. The gray crown is an evidence of living a good life. A lot of people didn't get to this age of having this gray hair, but you are opportune to stay to this age to get this gray hair. Why don't you be proud of it? Why don't you flaunt it? Why don't you be appreciative? So that is what I'm here to say about the gray hair. So guys, I'll come your way next time. Stay tuned. Keep watching my channel and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't.